Digital technology has revolutionized almost every aspect of the people's lives in recent decades. I am Gavneet Kaur Pruthi, practicing clinical and child psychologist in New Delhi, and today I am going to talk about digital technology and its disadvantages. What are they? Digital technology has taken over the office work, shopping, music, movies, television, photography, travel, transport, and long distance communications, which are some of the areas which have been transformed by the digital technology. In fact, it is very fair to say that it's become increasingly rare to find any electronic device or large machinery that does not incorporate digital technology in some or the other way. But let us not forget that this digital technology, though it is very helpful in every area of our life, it do come with some of the cons, that is the disadvantages. So let us see what are its disadvantages. Data security is not there. Anybody can hack your data and use it in some of the wrong ways. We know about hacking. Crime and terrorism occur through this digital technology. Complexity occurs. Privacy concerns are there. Anybody can view your profile and use your photos. So if somebody doesn't know the privacy concerns, the how to make the account private, the photos and all can get used. We get social disconnected due to this digital technology because the whole day and every work we are doing on digital technology, so we do not have time to interact with our family members or our friends or to go out of home. We are just online on our business matters or teaching, etc. Work overload increases, digital media manipulation occurs, job insecurity occurs because those who do not or those who are not well versed with how to use this digital technology, they basically are not able to do any job or any kind of researches if they want to do. There is plagiarism and copyright problems. There is anonymity and fake personas. Over reliance sometimes occurs on these gadgets. If basically we have seen that some kind of addictions also occurs nowadays due to the iPads and digital technology, like for example TikTok. If somebody is using, somebody is making reels, if somebody is using a lot of Moj videos, so kind of dependency occurs on that, and some kind of addictions also starts happening that the person cannot live without it. There is second hand living which occurs, organization and storage problem occurs, longevity problem occurs, and social alienation. So digital technology is helpful in many manners, but it also has disadvantages, so we should use it in I would say limited manner, and we should also have breaks in between. If we are using the digital technology the whole day, if we have to use the digital technology the whole day and we have to rely on it, we should give breaks in between. Some kind of walking we can do in between, or some kind of other work we can do in between, and then come back to the online work which we are doing. You should not sit on the digital technology or the computers or the laptops for hours and hours and hours, that it affects your health and your mental health and your physical health. So this is the only thing which I want to say about digital technology. If anything, something which I have forgotten, you can add it. And if you like my video, then please do subscribe and like. Thank you so much.